Oh, thank you. Is there anyone else on here that is like just truly obsessing over the new Justin Bieber music? I didn't know he was gonna drop a bunch of new tracks. I personally think it's his best album yet, okay? The initial album with Daisies and Yukon and stuff, I feel like there's a couple good, really good songs on there, but the tracks he just dropped last night, oh my gosh, they're all so good. Anyways, good morning. We are fixing up to have ourselves a very fun AmeriCorps Saturday morning. We're going to the farmer's market. I'm so excited. There is a farmer's market that they do in my area every weekend. They do it all throughout spring, summer, and fall. So we're gonna go catch the end of summer market. I'm just honestly having so much fun with like exploring around here, even though I've lived here for a while now. I've been doing a lot of, I don't know, self-reflection because the summer is slowly coming to an end, and I just can't say how grateful I feel to be ending the summer in such a great place that feels so peaceful and fitting for me in my life. I know that ultimately, like, I was the one who took all the actions to get to this point in my life, but I really cannot thank you guys enough. Like, y'all's support has just really helped me. I just wanted to put that out there because I am constantly expressing gratitude in my head for you guys, and I just feel like I can't say it enough. So there's a little sentimental moment for this Saturday morning, but I'm gonna finish up my water. I've already had one like small, or it was like 2 double shots on ice, but I still feel like I could use more coffee, but I think I'm gonna hold off until meeting my friend later. So let's have ourselves a good morning. I'm excited to take you guys to the Durham Farmers Market here in Durham, North Carolina. Cheers to just finding a ton of joy in the small little things in life. Such a beautiful morning. Thank you, Adrienne. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one. All right, I am heading back home, and I'm just having another gratitude moment. It's so fun just being able to stroll over there, link up with a friend. Like, I feel like I have such a full cup. And before we head home, I'm just gonna stop at the baseball field next door and show you guys the view, because they keep the gates open so you can see the view whenever you want. Good afternoon. It is a beautiful sunny day. It's extra beautiful today because I finished work early. So I decided I was gonna have a little mini home cleaning sesh, little refresh, which always just feels so good. It feels so sparkly and clean in here now. I dusted areas that I just usually don't think about doing. I did laundry, took trash out, did recycling, put laundry away that I was putting off for a long time. So feeling good. Now we're gonna go have some fun, and I'm gonna take you guys out to TJMaxx. I am just like very slowly buying little things for my house. I don't wanna go and just buy like 20 things just to have them in my house. But I kind of feel like we could go peruse around and see if they have any cute little trinkets that stand out to me, because I know they're like changing up things right now for the season. So there might be some sales, or there just might be some cute new things. I'm still not gonna decorate for fall yet. That's not gonna be until like probably end of September, early October, but it will still be fun to go peruse. That's what we're about to go do. I wanted to give you a really quick update on the vacuum situation. I asked you guys, I think like a month ago, if you had any recs, and I really appreciate all of the recommendations you guys gave me. I realized that I needed to get something that was like a dual purpose, like mop and vacuum, because I literally, guys, I do not have any storage space in here for a stand-up vacuum. So if I barely have space for a vacuum, I also barely have space for a mop. So I was like, I need to get something that is dual. And then it kind of ended up working out perfectly, because just like a week or so after that, Le Font reached out to me and they offered to gift me their M3 Robo mop and vacuum. So I'm the proud new owner of a like automatic robot mop and vacuum. As someone who works from home, and I feel like I am constantly just like tracking dust and dirt and feathers, and you know, I have a dog hair all over the place. This has been such a game changer, because I don't even have to really think about cleaning anything up now, and I'm also not doing double the work by first mopping and then you know, using a vacuum or some kind of sweeper over it. So let me give you guys a really quick tour and I can show you all the reasons that I love it. All right, so here's the docking station. This automatically empties the dustbin. Such a game changer. It washes the mop with hot water, dries it, and it even adds detergent. So it's fully hands-free for weeks. You just set it up and let it do its thing. Power-wise, this thing is so strong with 12,000 PA of suction. So it lifts pet hair, dust, and debris off hardwood, tile, and carpets like it's nothing. It also has this tangle-free V-shaped brush, so that cuts through hair as it goes. Perfect if you have pets or if you just find long pieces of hair all over your house. It's also super compact, only 3.8 inches tall, so it slides under furniture really well, and thanks to its free Move Tech 3.0, it actually avoids obstacles and stairs like it's got its own brain. And then finally, cleaning it, so easy. The removable tray pops right out, so you don't have to worry about bending down or making a mess. And then you can actually use it and make a bunch of customizations with the app. So obviously it will map out your house for you. And then here they have a ton of different ways that you can like customize it to make it perfect for however you want to use it. I love the carpet cleaning settings. I have the carpet boost turned on to make sure that it's like extra suctioning when it goes over my carpet, just because I have a lot of dog hair. So if there's an area of your house that picks up extra dirt, you can basically tell it to focus on there. And then kind of on the opposite side, they have no-go zones. So if like there's a complete like zone area that you don't want it to go to, you can map that out and it won't go there. Obviously I love all the customizations, but genuinely this thing gets in all the nooks and crannies like way better than I could even do like on my hands and feet. The way the mops and the brushes just go super down like under my dishwasher, where I forget to even clean myself. Thank you so much to Le Font for sponsoring this video. I'll have the M3 linked below. Let's get our bag packed and head out. We're gonna go take ourselves to TJMaxx for a fun little afternoon of shopping. Oh my goodness, I love the Halloween vibe. Stop it right now. Okay, that was a very good, enjoyable, and successful TJMaxx run. I feel like my formula for a good time at TJMaxx, first of all, it can't be too busy. So I always will try to come on a weekday. Second of all, I maintained great self-control and I only bought one thing that I didn't need. Some new toys for Cleo. She's just been playing with the same couple of toys and, you know, it was $6. There are a lot of others that I also could have got for her, but I didn't. And then this is what I actually genuinely needed. If y'all like want to get a variety of body washes, or if you just want to try out some new brands, I honestly love TJMaxx. It's like I will purposely wait for going to TJMaxx to get my body wash. So another thing I did want to say is America is such a country of consumerism, which is fine because, you know, houses here are big and you need stuff to put in those houses. But I just want to remind y'all that as the seasons change, like you do not have to be spending hundreds of dollars to decorate your house for a new season. Like y'all saw how in Korea I worked with very little things in my house to decorate, and I'm probably gonna do the same here just because I'm not trying to spend a bunch of money and I really don't have much space for storage anyways, but it's very fun stuff, don't get me wrong. I love it, but you know, we can't be spending all of our money on that stuff, y'all. Like we gotta, you know, pay for our health insurance and our expensive rent. So I just wanted to say, if you feel like you are not like keeping up to par with all the influencers who are like decorating their house and like doing these huge fall hauls, you're not alone. I'm not gonna be doing many huge fall hauls. I mean, we're definitely gonna be doing a little bit of shopping. You know, gotta have some fun. Anyways, let's run to Target super quick. I really just wanna look at their dollar spot and their clothes, because sometimes they actually do have cute basics. So let's go. We're gonna try to run in and out because it's getting a little later and I know it's gonna get busier. So see you in a second. It's just kind of fun. Hello, coming at you guys from the car. It's been a minute since I did a little driving segment, but I'm so proud of this one because we just got out of a doctor's appointment for her and she just did so great. I always feel so bad for dogs when they have to go to the vet because most of the time they don't have a single idea about what's going on and they must be so scared, but I'm just so proud of her. And now we're gonna go reward myself with a little treat because we deserve it, and it's like officially fall sweets / drinks season. So I want to go see the Dunkin fall menu, and I don't know if we're actually gonna get a fall drink because I honestly sometimes just prefer like a nice black iced coffee or something, but I definitely am very much in the mood for some kind of donut, and that is a very big deal and a very big treat to me because I don't really eat Dunkin' Donuts anymore. Do you have any fall donuts?
Do we have any fall? Do we have pumpkin? We have pumpkin donuts.
So you just have a pumpkin donut? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, may I have a Boston cream?
Okay.
And then can I get a small iced coffee? With a pump of pumpkin.
$79.
Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet.
Okay.
All good. All right, thank you. You too. See, y'all, people here in this area that I live, I can't speak for the whole country, obviously, but like, people here are so nice. She just told me I look so pretty. I don't think you guys understand how much I love a Boston cream. So good. So good. I'm gonna save the other half for tonight. All right, now for our coffee. This is kind of another thing that's more of a treat for me. I love like fun holiday coffees, don't get me wrong, but the syrups in them tend to sometimes screw up my stomach. So when I do get something fun like this, it just is very out of the ordinary and exciting for me. Oh yeah, I taste the pumpkin. I feel like on my channel lately, I've been talking about being more intentional with setting up fun things for ourselves just to do in our free time and, you know, romanticizing more parts of life. And with the upcoming season changes, I've definitely been thinking more and more about things I want to do just in my free time to fill my cup up and just like do things a little bit more out of the norm, because in life it can be so easy to, you know, get stuck into lulls and routines. And I'm such a girl of routines. So for me, I love having a routine, but then I start realizing eventually that like too much of a routine can sometimes be a tiny bit like boring. So I've just been thinking, okay, what are some fun things I'm gonna do throughout this fall? And I already have like my list of cafes. I have a couple different parks I want to go to, several different recipes I want to make, and then I did talk in my vlog before about how I'm gonna get a lot more of my house kind of put together in the fall and the winter. But I'm so curious, what are things you guys do in the fall? Like, what are some like traditions you do? I also really want to go to some kind of place that you can like go drink like mulled cider and stuff like that, because you know those are things I have really missed out on for the past 6 years. I did come back to North Carolina in the fall a couple times when I lived in Korea, but like I was always just so busy meeting friends, and like yeah, I would do a couple fall things, but this time I really have a lot of time. I'm also gonna go to New York City this fall, and then late fall I have a very fun trip planned to a place you guys are pretty familiar with. Wink wink, can anyone guess? I will definitely be telling you guys more about that later, but yeah, please let me know, what do you guys like to do in the fall? I love hearing about y'all's lives, because we just all live such similar yet different lives, and I know so many of you guys live in completely different areas of the country / world from me. And if you live outside of the States, I'm curious about what fall culture is like where you live, because Americans just love fall. It's so cute. Even in the doctor's office for Cleo, they had a bunch of like happy fall y'all signs in the animal hospital. I think that's so cute and funny. But anyways, I think we need to get going. Cleo's panting. I need to turn up the aircon and put my camera away so I'm not distracted while driving. I think this is going to conclude the video. I actually have a really good friend flying in to see me tonight, and it's a friend that I made in Korea. So I need to get on with my afternoon and just like put together some stuff to have ready for her when she gets in. And I'm gonna start a whole new vlog. So thank you for watching this video. Cheers to a new season. Cheers to just enjoying the little sparks in life, like the farmer's market and having a nice clean space. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, again, just thank you guys so much for the support. I have so much gratitude for all of you, and it just means the world to me that you are here watching this. And if you're still watching this video, leave a donut emoji with your comment. I love you guys so much. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more behind the scenes, and I'll see y'all very soon in the next vlog. Bye guys. Bye. Bye bye.